Is Modi's magic or Modi mania alive or dead? Has his popularity come down? In this video, I will explain to you whether or not brand Modi is on decline. If you really think this video is of any value to you, please help us in setting up a completely independent platform only for your voices by sharing and following our page. Now, PM Modi's popularity ratings have surely fallen to a new low for the first time in 7 years amid the COVID-19 crisis in the country. Now, several reports say that brand Modi has been hit the hardest due to the COVID mismanagement in the country. You have headlines like, "Something has changed for Modi. Perception mismanagement isn't working anymore." And "Can brand Modi survive a COVID transformed India?" And this one, "Brand Modi appears to be woefully out of step." And look at this. Amid COVID crisis, Modi's popularity rating drops to a new low for the first time in 7 years. Now, all of these were latest headlines in the media reports. Well, you remember that time when Narendra Modi won 2014 elections with very high margins, and his 2019 victory that had even bigger winning margins than his first term in 2014. How can anyone forget that political tsunami? Well, many described it as the Modi wave or Modi tsunami. Brand Modi had won 303 seats out of 542 on its own, capturing 37% votes in India, the largest democracy in the world. But all of that popularity, brand Modi, Modi mania, Modi wave, and so many other names that were used to describe him seem to have declined to a new low for the first time ever since Modi took to power. Now, according to an American political agency, Morning Consult, that tracks popularity of leaders across the world, Modi's popularity levels and approval ratings have come down to 64% in 2021 from 84% in 2020 and 82% in 2019. This is the lowest level of his popularity so far. Now, agency says this big drop in Modi's approval ratings and his popularity happened during COVID-19 peak in India around April and May this year in 2021. On May 8th, his approval ratings stood at around 63%, which is lowest since August 2019. And his disapproval points grew rapidly by 32%, which is the highest since August 2019. Interestingly, his approval rates had actually grown to about 84% during the first wave in May 2020. There were talks of Modi taking the strictest decisions to stop COVID-19 and all those early measures, etc., though it later came down to about 75% in June last year. Looking at Modi's 7 years tenure so far, his popularity and approval ratings were very high at around 82% in August 2019, also when he scrapped Article 370. You must be remembering that historic decision to abrogate 370. But now, brand Modi or Modi mania seems to be rapidly and sharply going down. An Indian agency, Seawater, had also published some ratings, and it found out that only 37% of respondents said they were very much satisfied with the Modi government in 2021, particularly during the second wave. Now again, this figure was a sharp drop from 65% in 2020 as per some other reports. Seawater founder Yashwant Deshmukh told the media that the Prime Minister is facing the biggest political challenge of his career in terms of his sharply falling popularity. He told the print, Modi government's approval rating shattered all records in the Seawater's Mood of the Nation survey over the past 7 years. In 7 weeks, that popularity has completely collapsed. Let's keep in mind that these declines in Modi's image and popularity was happening at a time when Bengal elections were going on. Now, crematoriums were overburdened of COVID-19 bodies. People were dying due to shortage of oxygen, and PM was doing this.
आज चारों तरफ मैंने ऐसी सभा पहली बार देखी है जी, पहली बार देखी है। आज आपने ऐसा दम दिखा दिया है, ऐसी ताकत दिखा दी है। मैं जहां देख सकता हूं मुझे लोग ही लोग दिखते हैं, बाकी कुछ दिखता ही नहीं है। क्या क्या कमाल कर दिया आप लोगों ने।
Experts said that the contradiction between the citizens suffering and Modi attending huge rallies could have angered and upset people. But wait, what is this brand Modi all about? Largely, experts describe brand Modi as someone who has a good track of Gujarat model, good governance, no nonsense administrator, decisive leader, and charismatic leader, among several other things and features. Now, Narendra Damodar Das Modi, or Brand Modi, was projected as savior of Indian middle class like you and me. He campaigned on the planks of inflation, unemployment, corruption, and economic reforms, among several others. He was shown as someone who could work for aspirational middle class Indians. Now, he was shown as fakir, someone who has no desires for materialistic world pleasures. But look at the unemployment rate in the country today, and look at your diesel and petrol prices. Look at your economy, among so many other things. Now, the pandemic did make it all worse, but we all know that all these sectors were already in very bad shape before the pandemic even started. Unemployment was very high even before the pandemic began in this country. Never before COVID-19 second wave has Brand Modi suffered any such level of decline. His popularity has been so strong that huge failures like demonetization, problematic implementation of GST system in the country, alarming rise in unemployment, and migrant crisis did less harm to his image as per media reports in the past. But the deadly peak of second wave of COVID-19 in India has changed people's thinking and perception towards Prime Minister Narendra Modi so much. The reason is people have experienced tragedy and have seen their loved ones dying in front of them helplessly. Several national and international reports say that there has been a drastic shift in people's perception about PM Modi and his popularity. For example, Time magazine had described him as Modi means business in 2012, and now in 2021 the same Time magazine is using words like COVID apocalypse that India witnessed because of Modi's mismanagement. Now, The Economist magazine said, as a second wave devastates India, Narendra Modi vanishes. Now, it went on to say, quick to claim credit, the Prime Minister is nowhere to be seen when things go wrong. Experts are saying Brand Modi appears to be woefully out of step, and that it's time to either reinvent Brand Modi to increase his popularity, or it will become history soon. The situation is so bad. A Congress leader from Pune said RSS may sideline Modi if his popularity drops further. Some headlines read, government's year 8 begins with dented public trust, some doubts within the party. Now, reports say this is the lowest period for BJP since the party took charge in 2014. The people have even started talking about central government's inability to handle the crisis. It's very well known reality and the fact that whenever Brand Modi is not strong and whenever Brand Modi is on decline, the BJP does not or cannot win. Now, that means Brand Modi is very important for BJP. Actually, what protects Brand Modi? Why has it always been so strong in the face of several problems earlier? I mean, this is the first time Modi's popularity has seriously fallen. Experts like Christophe Jaffrelot have an answer to this. He says it's not just charisma, but also his image of saintliness that protects him. But it's not all over yet. Despite this sharp decline in Modi's popularity, the C-Vote data says he is India's most popular face in politics. At latest survey by Prashanam says that even now PM Modi is the most preferable choice for the post of Prime Minister in 2024. Now, around 33% respondents said Modi should be the next PM and 17% felt Rahul Gandhi should be next PM. And this is just their opinion. Now, that makes one thing clear. PM is still ahead in terms of popularity despite the current fall in his approval ratings. Do let us know what you think about Brand Modi and his popularity. Please comment and share your views because your opinion matters.